Good morning, my shining stars. Today we are going to do keywords and make sentences of lesson 7 Happy Birds in English. So let's begin. Students, write down today's date here and day here. Next we will write down lesson 7 Happy Birds. Happy birds. On the next page, we will write down key words. Students, I have already written numbers 1 to 12. Now, we will write words. First word is kitten. K I T T E N. Kitten. Next word is rabbits. R A B B I T S. Rabbits. Third word is cages. C A G E S. Cages. Fourth word is pigeons. P I G E O N S. Pigeons. Fifth word is shop. S H O P. Shop. Next word is shopkeeper. S H O P K E E P E R. Shopkeeper. Next one is flute. F L E W. Flute. And next word is happily. H A P P I L Y. Happily. Next word is opened. O P E N E D. Open. Next word is wanted. W A N T E D. Wanted. Next word is market. M A R K E T. Market. And the last word is parakeets. P A R A K E E T S. Parakeets. On the next page, we will write down make sentences. Our first word is shop. S-H-O-P. Shop. Students, we have to make sentences with the word shop. We will write I have H-A-V-E. I have a toy. T-O-Y. Toy shop. S-H-O-P. I have a toy shop. Second part, you have to make yourself. Next word is few. F L E W. Now we have to make sentence with the word few. The T-H-E, the birds, birds, birds flew, flew, flew away, away, away happily, happy, happily. Second sentence you have to make yourself. Now you have to do the same work in your English notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.